Yesterday was day 5 of Lindsay Clancy's murder trial, and this recap will include a lot of very heavy medical testimony, so please lock in with me. It was a lot, so I'm going to jump right in. As always, I'm a certified law nerd, bona fide non-attorney. This is not legal advice, just my interpretation of what I heard throughout the proceeding, so let's begin. The morning began with Dr. Michael Snyder, who treated 5-year-old Cora Clancy at Beth Israel Deaconess Hospital. When Cora arrived, first responders were actively performing CPR. She was not breathing on her own and did not have a heartbeat, yet doctors continued attempting to resuscitate her for approximately 30 minutes. Dr. Snyder also observed bruising around Cora's neck and signs that her body had been deprived of oxygen. Despite their efforts, Cora was pronounced dead shortly before 7:30 that evening. And although today's medical testimony generally concerned the children, I did not hear Dawson specifically addressed during this portion of the trial. His emergency treatment was covered during earlier testimony. The jury then heard about 8-month-old Callan Clancy. Dr. Andrew Capraro testified that Callan arrived at Boston Children's Hospital by helicopter. He was cold, limp, and showed signs that his brain was not receiving enough oxygen or blood. His pupils were fixed and dilated, and there were visible marks around his neck. When the prosecutor asked whether strangulation could cause this condition, Dr. Capraro said it most certainly could. Callan was intubated and occasionally attempted to breathe independently, but those breaths were rare. Doctors consulted with neurosurgeons, but the damage shown on his brain imaging was so severe that surgery could not help him. Dr. David Cassavant then explained what doctors saw on Callan's brain scan. He described an enormous amount of swelling caused by significant oxygen deprivation. According to Dr. Cassavant, brain swelling of this kind usually peaks approximately 48 to 72 hours after an injury. The fact that Callan already had such extensive swelling so early showed just how severe the oxygen deprivation had been. Callan did not respond when doctors stroked the bottom of his foot, pinched his fingernail, or shined a light into his eyes. His heart was still beating, but Dr. Cassavant agreed that the part of the brain that made Callan Callan was no longer functioning. After approximately 2 days of neurological testing, Callan was declared brain dead. Patrick Clancy participated in the decision to remove him from life support, and Callan died on January 27, 2023. The testimony then shifted to Lindsay's medical condition. Dr. Kelly McDonough treated Lindsay at South Shore Hospital after she was found outside the home. Lindsay was initially breathing on her own. Her eyes were open and she responded to painful stimuli, but she was nonverbal. She was later intubated to protect her airway. Lindsay could not move her legs and had suffered catastrophic injuries after jumping from the second-story window. Imaging showed serious damage to her thoracic spine. She was transferred because South Shore Hospital could not provide the level of care she required. Dr. McDonough described the cuts